Hello, so I'm still looking for things to fill my time during lockdown. I'm not due back at work for a while yet. So one of the things I thought I'd do was remove the basic wheel rim tape that I put on when I first got the bike and replace it with slightly fancier wheel rim stickers. These came via eBay. They were about a tenner to get them made. They're designed for the 10-inch wheels that the Zoomer has. So we're going to put these on, all being well. Now, the first thing I need to do is obviously remove the wheel rim tape that's on at the moment. Now, the proper way you're supposed to do this is with a heat gun. Now, first of all, I don't have a heat gun, and secondly, I don't have any power down at the communal garage bit where I work. There's no sockets there. So what I do have though is a Dremel soldering iron, which comes with a small sort of heat gun attachment. So what I'm planning to do is just use that. It's a gas-filled soldering iron, so it's not mains. Just to very gently heat up the wheel rim tape, which hopefully will come off very easily. Then we just clean up the wheel rims, make sure there's no residue, and then we can fit the new stickers. Just something to do basically. It's not essential by any means, but it keeps me busy for an hour or two. So we'll go down. We'll use the Dremel to try and get the wheel rim tape off that's on at the moment, and then we'll see about fitting the new one. Okay. So to get the old wheel rim stickers off, just using the heat attachment on the Dremel. It's quite good actually because you can lower it so it's not crazy hot, and then just heating up the old tape slightly. It's actually better than a heat gun because you can direct it more. And it doesn't help that I bite my nails, but you've just got to be a little bit patient. I've got half of this wheel off already. And very gently pry it up with a little screwdriver. I don't want to mark the rims, there we go. So keep it, heat it up, and off it peels. So all I've got to do now is go around and do this with all four wheels, and we can start putting a new one on. So that's the old tape off the wheels. What you want to do now is make sure these are really clean. No oil, no grease obviously on them. I usually go over them with a microfiber cloth. Obviously I've had a sticker on already, so they're going to be pretty clean under that. You just want to make sure there's no bits of glue left from the old stickers. And then once it's all cleaned up, let it dry, you've had to wash it, we can start a look at putting the new ones on. One thing is, some of the rims will have etched in writing on them. I'll show you maybe on this side. So obviously you want to avoid putting your stickers on this, so just try and keep them out of the way because they won't sit as well, and you want to really have that information visible anyway if you need it. So that's that. Next stop, we'll put the stickers on. So it's a wee bit fiddly, but that's them starting to go on now. I'm just going to let it does say heat up the rims before you put them on. I did that first, but it didn't stick at all, so I'll just wipe the rims and put them back on, and they're sticking now. Obviously, in a wee minute when they're set, we'll peel back this tape, and that should put them on. But we'll do all four wheels first. One at the top, one at the bottom. So once you've got your attached and stuck down, what you're going to do is peel back the tape on the front very slowly, pull it back on itself. Nice and easy, just in case one of them starts to lift off, you can go back. These seem to be okay so far. And basically these fully cure after a week, but so the advice is obviously don't wash your wheels for a week or so. Perfectly right to ride around on, but don't wash your wheels, and don't use a pressure washer on the wheels at any time because you'll probably blast them off. So that's it. Let's give it a last wee press, make sure it's stuck down. It's not too bad. There we go. New wheel rim stickers. Quite pleased with those. Okay, as always, if you can like and subscribe, that'd be great. Another wee project for anyone who fancies tinkering around with a zoomer. Thanks for watching as always, guys. All the best.